Good morning, good morning, good morning, Amalfi Coast. Here we are. The last day of our beautiful summer 2024 has arrived. I got up early to walk with Cuoricina. I feel like this is an important walk for me and her. A walk to reflect a little bit about the last summer month. Many things had happened to our family. The new house, the start of our boat season, the loss of our beloved dog Blackie, Leni's first communion, my difficulty to get over Blackie's death. The heat this summer was very heavy too, and now the end of this season. There's so many thoughts and memories to put in order in my brain. I feel like with every walk out here, seeking in the beauty of Positano, my soul feels lighter. A silent walk is very therapeutic. After all these busy days, I feel like the little village slowly prepares itself for a quieter time. This autumn is so colorful and warm. As our days grow shorter, nature seems to slow down too. Every end of the season shows me the importance of embracing change, letting go of what no longer serves us. I am so glad I live in a world where there are Octobers. Every off-season, I look at what I can improve on. So I come in for the new season fresh and ready to go again. What we call a new beginning is often the end. And to make an end is to make a new beginning. The end is where we start from. Now it's time to enjoy autumn mornings. Sunshine and the singing of birds, calmness and a lot of time with my girls. What a perfect day. Look how beautiful. The beach down and look at the sea. Perfect for our last rides. The reason we are closing is that our license on the sea and also on the land where we have our info desk expires with the 31st of October. Ferry boat services will run still until end of November, I guess. The end of season mood in Positano starts with end of September, more or less. Some restaurants already close middle of October, also hotels. You can feel from the 10th of October, you can feel in our little town that it gets less touristy. For me, this is the most beautiful month, honestly. Also like a tourist, because the weather can be stunning, like we had this year. and you are still swimming, and there are no queues, and you do everything more relaxed, and the people are also relaxed because it's not so overwhelming anymore. For me, today means checking in the last clients, the boats will leave for the day, and then we will take down the whole info desk, and then there will be nothing left on the sand. Remember all these streets completely crowded? Now also there's nobody. Normally I always meet some people going for work, but it's nearly all closed already. Closing down for me is always very emotional, because it's like you close the chapter of a book, and yeah, then you just take a break, think about what you have read, what you have done in summer, and then we have some time for the maintenance of the boats, and then we start again. I have my sunglasses ready. Many of you know that I am a quite emotional person. Doesn't seem like this, but I am. And when the boats blow their horn and they leave, that's always a very, very magical moment for me. In this moment, everything comes up. It's like a little movie in my brain going zun, zun, zun in these few seconds. Like happiness, sadness, problems, happy moments. Yeah, like the whole summer is in a very short movie in my brain passing by. And this, I just have to put the bottle ready. And this makes me feel happy and sad. Where there are normally 3 tents, 1, 2, 3, there's only us left. I'm thankful for all the wonderful clients we had on board this summer. But I'm even more thankful that we can finish our summer season with this stunning day. The sun is out, it's very warm still during the day, and our clients will enjoy a perfect excursion along the Amalfi coast. Not always our Octobers finish like this. While our clients will enjoy the beautiful Amalfi coast, we are taking down our info desk. This is a lot of work. Some of us can just enjoy the sun and relax. This year we finish our summer season with 9 boats operating still today out of 11. With this beautiful weather, you can imagine that people still really enjoy going out on boats. Just imagine being on our boat and enjoying these colors of the sea today. I don't think there is something more magical. We are very lucky because we have so many helping hands taking our info desk down. So many of our captains have been working for us for many years. Especially because of the beautiful weather, the end of season makes us all feel a little bit sad. At the end of the day, there will be nothing left down on the beach. Especially our mechanic Joaquin, our captain Saulo and Peppe always find a way to joke and have fun. Even our plants are ready to go for winter sleep.
every end of the season, we have a mix of emotions inside us. There is always a bit of sadness for a beautiful period that comes to an end. After this long and busy summer, we and our boats take a break to recharge. We are tired but happy for this wonderful summer, happy for having carried out our mission, not only a boat excursion along the coast, but above all, to make you live an unforgettable experience full of beautiful memories. As per tradition, when the boats leave, they blow 3 times their horn to greet our town and our Madonna, who gave us this corner of paradise. A paradise to share with the whole world.